In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in Xero. Whether you're correcting a double entry or simply need to remove an invoice that's no longer required, navigating Xero for this task is straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you've got it down. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. This is a pretty basic step, but it's crucial. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, and remember that if you have multiple accounts, you'll need to be in the right one where the invoice you want to delete is stored. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll see several options there, one of which is labeled Business. Click on it. From that drop-down menu, you'll want to select Invoices. This will take you to a page where all your invoices are listed. If you have a lot of invoices, don't worry. Xero offers a great way to find exactly what you're looking for. You can use the search bar at the top, or apply filters to narrow down your search. After locating the invoice you want to delete, the next step is to open it. This can be done by clicking directly on the invoice number. It'll bring up the full details of that particular invoice you've selected. Once you have the invoice open, you'll need to look for the Options button. It's often represented by 3 dots and can be found at either the top or bottom of the invoice page. Go ahead and click this button. This gives you a range of actions you can take on the invoice. In the drop-down menu that appears, one of your options is Delete. Select Delete. Now at this point, Xero will want to make absolutely sure that you meant to remove this document. It will ask you to confirm your choice by clicking either OK or Yes. This step is a safeguard against accidental deletions, so take a good look and make sure that this is the invoice you indeed intend to remove. After confirming your choice, the invoice will be deleted from your Xero account database. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, so make sure deleting is indeed what you want to do. If at any point you have reservations, or if you think you might need this invoice later, consider archiving it instead. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an invoice in Xero. Don't hesitate to revisit any step if you need a refresher. I hope this tutorial makes your experience with Xero a bit more seamless. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!